What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to earn over $1,000 a day using Canva and ChatGPT. And the best part is, I have nothing to sell you. In fact, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to diversify your income. I'm going to be giving you a done-for-you system of over 400 AI tools that you can get paid to promote. I'm going to be giving you pre-written emails with AI. I'm going to be giving you videos that you can start posting on places like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. And I'm going to be giving you a free full step-by-step course that'll help you with everything that we're going to be talking about in today's video, all for free. And to get access to all of this, by the way, all you have to do is just drop a comment and share this video with one person you think that this will help. And I'll send you everything in today's video free of charge. So go ahead, drop a comment, share this video with one person you think that it's going to help. And let's get into today's video. Digitalplaybook.com. It's going to take you to this page where you can get the free 30-day trial of the software that we're going to be using, and that is called Go High Level. So you don't need this software, but to be able to import all the done-for-you emails and images all into your account, you would need this. You can do everything manually. So once you sign up, get the free trial, you're going to get taken to a page that looks like this. This is called your sub account. The three main ones that we're going to be focused on is marketing, automations, and sites. So on the digital playbook, you have access to all the done for you emails. But if you want everything imported directly into your what's called a sub account, you're going to need to go to new resource checklist, go over to import snapshot, and then click this link. So what a snapshot is, it's basically everything that's in my system can now get imported into your system. So you don't have to do any of the automations, emails, sites, all that stuff is going to be given to you through the digital playbook. So you're going to hit yes, import now. It's going to take you to this screen, and you're going to want to hit create new account. And then, like I said, once you do, you will have all this imported. Now, as you see, you're not going to have all these, but the ones down here is what you're going to have imported. The main one being the new email opt-in. So whenever someone from short form, long form, they click on your opt-in page, they get put into this automation that will send them emails every day to whatever AI tool or product that you are promoting. You see how this is highlighted? This is where your affiliate link would go. And as you can see, it says right here, custom value. So what this is I'm about to show you where you can put your link, and then because we have this custom value, it's going to populate your specific affiliate link into all the emails, so you don't have to go one by one, email through email, and import that yourself. So let me show you how to do that. We're going to go back to the home page of the sub account, and we're going to go down here to settings. And then left-hand side, you're going to see something called custom values. You're going to want to hit create new. It can be whatever you want to be called, whatever you want it to be called. And then right here is going to be where you put your affiliate link. Going back to the digital playbook, clicking under AI tools, all these tools you're able to get paid to promote. The ones up here are the ones that I would recommend because they have better affiliate programs. And these are the tools that I actually use. So Go High Level and Descript are the two that I use and promote the most. Descript being the tool that I use to edit, film, and record all my videos. And if you want, let's just take Go High Level for an example. To sign up for their affiliate program, all you need to do is just scroll down to the bottom of the page. Most of these tools, they have the option to apply at the bottom. It's going to be something like affiliate program, then become an affiliate. You're going to click here and it's going to have you sign up, and then you will get that affiliate link that looks something like this in your email. Copy that, bring that over here, and then you're going to paste it. So now let's go to sites. So here is just a basic funnel that's going to be imported into your account. What a funnel is, it's basically an opt-in page where you'll have a title, then some type of explainer video, and then this is going to be where you would connect a form where they would put in their name and email, and then once they click that, that'll bring them into the automation that will give them whatever you're promoting, whether it's a checklist, PDF, it could be whatever. Now we need to drive traffic, and that is going to be mainly from short form, but also long form. So long form is the best as far as retention, but if you're just starting off, you're going to want to just create and replicate short form content. And if you go to the checklist, my team and I have already created a bunch of short form content that you can just go in here and download. So take a video like this. Something super simple like that, which gets engagement as far as likes, shares, and comments. So what you would do is you would click here, download that, and then you would go back over to, so once you download the video, you're going to go over to marketing. Basically a social planner or a calendar that lets you schedule out your content. Go to settings and connect your social profiles, schedule them out like this. Click here, pick whichever one you want to post it to, add your videos. Super simple, months worth of content. And when you go in here, you obviously can just take these, download them, and schedule them out. But what I would recommend is just change them up a little bit. Maybe bring them into CapCut, add some music, just to make it different, maybe more engaging. But you don't have to. Once you do that, pretty much you just got to repeat. So bringing you over here to the right whiteboard before we end, first thing you want to do, get the Google Sheet, digital playbook. How you do that is just go to digitalplaybook.com and it will get sent to your email. Then, like I said, you want to select the tool, either go high level, Descript, or if you're into like AI voices or images, plenty of tools on there. Replicate or recreate the content. I just showed you how to do that. Go to different videos that we have downloaded, download them yourself, maybe put them in the CapCut, do that. Sending traffic, exactly that. By creating the videos, that's going to start sending traffic, and that's going to lead people to your email funnel, and then automate and repeat. So just before, 3 shorts a day, good handwriting. 3 shorts a day, or like Instagram Reels, whatever. And then what I try to do is like 1 long form every 2 days. Because I've noticed that long form for me is where I'm getting the best results. So I need to at least maybe try to go once a day to do long form. But I mean, as you guys know, if you're watching this, like creating content is a grind, but it's better than working a 9 to 5. So any questions, comments, and concerns? I do have a Discord. It'll be in the description. That's probably the best way to get a hold of me as far as asking any questions. But other than that, thanks for watching the video and happy money making.